And we always put the brightener on. You can see where it's working here. And it's lighting the wood up as compared to here. Anything that's an alkaline is going to darken wood. When we talk about brightener, people say, okay, well, it puts the magic to it. There's a lot of things brightener does, though. Does anybody know what acid, like an oxalic acid, will do with metal, like nail bleeds or screws? It neutralizes them.
Just like a rust remover.
There you go. If you're a professional, you want to use the brightener because it's going to give you a better end result. If you leave the nail bleeds, guess what happens when you seal or stain? It shows up more. It makes a difference between you and your competitors, 100%. Also, anybody ever heard of concrete and acid etching? It opens up the pores of the concrete. Think acid would open up the pores of the wood? Will accept the stain better. Again, as we get through this, just keep coming back out and we'll take a look at all this stuff. And you can see a huge difference in the wood. So you could either take a blower, you could broom it off, let it dry. You could go, if you want, go get a cup of coffee, go get lunch. But we could clean a deck in